Alright, here's the microscope, portable Wi-Fi microscope. We're going to be taking a closer look at that. Then these IC dies there and there. It's very simple to set up. Hold this button in here, the top button in here, it turns on. Then on your computer it'll say connect to Wi-Fi. This will have a name on it. I think it's CDD and then a 4-digit number. And then from there, once you're connected, there's an app, a free app, both on Google Play and on Apple. And then you just launch the app. It says connect. Is this the camera? You hit yes. Very simple. Very simple. Here's what we have in here. I'm trying to see if I can get both of these in there. So this is a really cool. Oh, and then you can do a video too. You have photos and videos if you want to take a picture of that. If you want to do a video, put it on there. Got a little recording, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seconds. So let's take a look at this part in here. We should show you the stand too. Nice little stand. You can move around. There's the buttons. Oh, you can take a picture there too. Take a picture on here. Here's your focusing knob. Just kind of zoom this in. Look at the clarity of that. Motorola. And it doesn't just have to be on the stand too. Another cool thing in here, and I'm getting to a lot of pieces, but if you needed to check out a trace or something, maybe see if you have a solder bridge, your parts. Looks good in there. You see the part, the tool. Okay, here it is over in here. Now we're gonna kind of go over to here. Here's this IC. I'm gonna focus. Oh, there we go. All nice and focused on there. And then you have a zoom factor over here too. You can zoom in there a little bit more. Let's max zoom. Okay, that must be max zoom. And for a portable, and you can kind of see, I'll take it off the tripod there. You went from that computer chip to that. Now let's do this, the other little mini one. This is not even the mini one right there. Here's the mini one. And then there's, as you can, maybe you can't see this, but I'm turning the light. Now the light's off. Put the light on one. A little bit more brighter. And for me, what I did is I put on this piece of paper, so if I wanted to move it or turn it, I could turn the part without moving the camera. You know. Maybe for handwriting analysis too. If you wanted to see what's happening there. You know, for maybe autographs, validating autographs. Gold mine. I mean, that is just stunning clarity. And then that's not even zoomed in. I mean, that's zoomed in there. Widen out. So it's a fun tool. Let me kind of show you some. Turn the light off there. I think it looks like it has a couple modes. Somewhere in there, there's that camera. There's a nice stand. Charging. There's a USB charging on there. And like it was showing in here, you got the, and you go handheld too. You just want to go handheld with it. I've noticed that if you keep the focusing ring towards you, then the picture will show up straight. And then focusing. There you go. Very simple. That's not even zoomed in. Well, I mean, you can really, the magnification's really cool. Again, very simple to set up. Just download the app from, it's free. It's a free app. Install it on your tablet or your computer. And then it's going to connect to the Wi-Fi. It's going to say, do you want to connect to this Wi-Fi? Yes. And away you go. All right. Another exciting product from Electronic Goldmine. Thanks for viewing this video. Have a great day.